Okay. Hello everyone. Today is day 36 and today I feel that I am going to stutter more because for some personal reasons I am not in so good mood, and still I want to upload a video to show you that if you are not in your very calm mood or comfortable mood, if you are stressed or tensed about anything, the chances is that you will stutter more. So yes, so now I'll be reading the news. I have a laptop open in my laptop. What was that? I meant I have news open in my laptop. COVID 19 cases in Delhi reach 62,655. Death toll crosses 2200. As many as 2,909 coronavirus cases were reported in Delhi in last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases in the national capital to 62,655. The coronavirus death toll surged to 2,233 after 58 new deaths were declared on June 21st. The number of recovered coronavirus patients has reached 36,602 in Delhi. Then the next 3,721 COVID-19 cases in Maha in 24 hours. Total now 1,35,796. As many as 3,721 new coronavirus cases were reported in Maharashtra in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases in the state to 1,35,796. Further, 113 new coronavirus deaths were reported, taking the total death toll to 6,283. A total of 67,706 patients have recovered from the virus so far. And then The next news: 36-year-old woman kills self by jumping off 5th floor of Pune hospital. A 36-year-old housewife on Monday allegedly committed suicide by jumping off a window of the 5th floor room of a hospital where her 13-year-old diabetic son was undergoing treatment. Police said the deceased left a note saying no one to be blamed for her act, said a police official. The woman had lost her husband to cancer 3 months ago. Yeah, I'm feeling sleepy also already. Then another news: BBMP to conduct 7,500 random COVID-19 tests every day from Monday. The Bruhat Bengaluru Maha a long blog. So I'll just start again. The Bruhat Bengaluru Maha Nagara, so long, Palike, BBMP will conduct 7,500 random tests for coronavirus every day from Monday following a surge in the cases. The BBMP has deployed 30 vehicles to collect samples from the places identified by the civic body where the cases have spiked. It will also set up fewer clinics and hospitals to conduct the swab test. So that's it for today. Good night. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye bye.